Welcome to the Rock Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with our delectable breakfast carrot cupcakes.
And we all know carrots improve vision, but did you know carrots enhance your overall immunity and heart health?
And the potassium in carrots helps regulate blood pressure and sweeps sodium and fluid out of your body.
Well, let's get that all swept out of there, huh? I love that. Most people love oatmeal. Yes, I know I do. Mom does. But incorporating it into a cupcake just makes your mouth water.
Yes, and it's a simple one bowl recipe to get you in and out of the kitchen fast.
Yes. Baking them in muffin tins helps you control your portions and makes them an easy on-the-go food that's not junk food at all. Such a good choice.
Ah, agreed.
Great choice.
There you have it. One more healthy recipe from the BariGirls.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us on YouTube.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.